In this vlog, I just create space in my living room and make a beautiful floor seating setup by using some of my DIYs. As I am living in rented house, I don't want to spend more on decorate home. So I used to make DIY with things available at home. Let's see how I make this arrangement. First, select the place for seating arrangement. It should be out of more usage area like walking path. And this will be a perfect place. I moved the furniture from here to somewhere else and cleaned the place thoroughly. I had a single bed with me, so using that, and bought this single bed cover from Hyper Panda, just 14 SR, that's Saudi Riyal, that is 280 Indian rupees. That's my son. Whenever I spread bed cover, he used to play underneath. This bolster I had made some days before, and making of this bolster I had already posted in my channel. If you want, you can also check that too. I will share link on description box below. This one is backrest or long pillow. Making of this pillow coming up. This is a winter blanket which have 2 layers of woolen cloth. It is very good to use, but one drawback is I couldn't wash in my washing machine. I wash my blanket more often, so it's a big problem for me. So I decided to make a long pillow with this. I just double fold the blanket, then again fold twice from the side and tied it with the rope like a luggage. Then make a cover with double layer white cotton cloth, length 48 inch and width 14 inch. Cut the fabric. Now fold the fabric and stitch the side. While stitch the length part, leave some space to insert pillow. Stitch and turn the front side out. Now start insert the pillow. Stitch the opening with the help of hand needle. Here the pillow is ready. Then make a beautiful colored cover. This is leftover sari piece which I used to make bolster, and those are borders I raveled from sari. Here my cover is completed. I also placed zip to remove and wash. Insert the pillow. Now it's ready. This is a backdrop I made using color paper strip. Idea I got from Pinterest. Then I made a cover for my tea table. Also I fixed rope under to tie so that it couldn't slip from table. And this frame also done by me. For that I just select picture from Google image and take a printout, trace it on the drawing book by using tracing sheet. Now dilute glue with water. Apply the glue on the design carefully with the paintbrush. Then pour the glitter over the glue. Make sure to cover entire area that had been glued. Then tap the paper like this. Then you will get beautiful colored picture. Do this for entire design and let it dry. Also, I painted this frame with acrylic white and golden color. After all dry completely, fix the design in the frame. This tray bought from 5 Riyal shop and painted with acrylic color red and gold. And this one is wood holder. Again, this is also bought from 5 Riyal shop. This one is empty wafer tin. I tied it with jute thread and stick some sequins on it, and it became a flower vase. Last but not least, to give a natural effect, I placed a money plant near the table. Now the setup is completed. If you like this vlog, please hit the like button and share your thoughts in comment box. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Meet you with another vlog. Until then, you people take care. Bye bye.